What's up everybody, today I will teach you how to download GTA 5 Grand Theft Auto for PC for free. So as you know, this game was not released for was not released for PC yet, but now it is released before 1 month of 2015, April 2015, before 1 month. And I'm just going to show you today how to download it for PC, and it's 100% working and it's for free. So what you have to just do it, click the first link in the description down below. It will take you to this website uTorrent, and just click on get uTorrent, and your uTorrent will be downloading soon. So after, as you can see, it says uTorrent downloading. Just click it, open it and install it, and you will be able to get uTorrent. So after you open the uTorrent, it will look a bit like this, or maybe seem like that. So just making sure uTorrent it look like that. Okay, then go to my description again, open the second link down below, and it will take you to this website KickStorrent, and just click on get torrent. It says Grand Theft Auto 5. So as you can see, it's downloading right now. And for your information, this game is 39 GB, so make sure that you have better graphic computer to download this game. And for your information, I'm just downloading in drive D because my drive C is almost full, so I will just download in drive D everything. Okay, so I'm just going to click OK. So it might take me 10 hours to 9 hours, depend on your internet speed. After it will just download, it will look like seeding or finish, depend on your internet speed, how much it will take. For me it will take 10 hours, something like that. Maybe your downloading speed will be very slow at first 10 minutes, but if it is slow, just right click it, and just right click it, go over here and just click high. Make sure just right click again, go in the same place, go in setup download, and make sure it is unlimited. Make sure it's unlimited, not required. Okay, it's better. So you can see I'm getting 400 now, but there will be a time coming soon it will become 1 MB, 1.1 MB speed coming. So after that, now it's telling 2 days. After when I will get 1 MB more speed, it will say 10 hours. So I'm just going to skip this time. I'm not so stupid to record everything. Thanks for watching this video. So guys, after I have just downloaded Grand Theft Auto GTA 5 repack, so it will say seeding. So you can do seeding, or you can just right click or stop it. So I am just leaving it seeding because seeding means giving speed to other people. I will give some speed to other people to help them to download. If I help them, so I will just help them. So it means I will share with them, so I will share my internet with this speed with them. So if I share, so sharing is caring. So after that, just right click it, and open the containing folder, and just press continue. After that, it will look like that. Just click on the setup and run it. So guys, after you have run it, it will look like that. So some people will like to choose Russian, or some people will like to choose English. I like to choose English, and maybe most of them people will obviously like to choose English. So after that, it will come, the screen will come like that, and it will say need free space. So as you can see, it says need the free disk space 60 GB, but available space right now in my drive C it is 28 GB and it says installation time 300. So I think the disk space for me it's not enough as for 60 GB, so I will change it to drive D. So after you click, so I am just changing it to drive D. So I will just click next and make sure all of these are checked, and just click next after that, and just make sure that your language is English. And again I repeat, if you're Russian or if you want to do Russian, you can do it as you like. And as you can see, the game has been start downloading. So you just have to wait for it. It might say 300 minutes to download as it says before, so I'm just going to skip this part. So guys, after you have downloaded installed it, so this thing will come, this black CMD thing. So I by mistake close it, or you can just keep it until it will extract. For me it was stuck in 0.0, it wasn't downloading, so I just closed this command by pressing on the X. Okay, this CMD come on me, so just repeating you, I closed it by mistake. So you can keep it if you want to, and install and wait for it. It's better because now it's asking me the latest patch and I don't have it. So if you just also click it by mistake, then follow my new steps. So right now I'm just going to download the latest patch because I have missed this thing. So guys, now you have to download GTA 5 patch VXE. So you have to download this patch by going in this website. It will be in the description, don't worry for it. So after you go to this website, it will be in other language. So if you want to change your language, change this language, make sure you're using Chrome, Google Chrome. Just click over here in the translation page, translate this page, and click on option, click on Arabic to English, always translate, and just click on translate. Now the page is going to translate. After the page translated, just click on the normal load. Don't worry, this is not a spam or a fake thing. See, if it is a spam, it will just start downloading, or the virus will start coming. It says 50 seconds to wait. It means it's not spam, so just wait for it. So that until it is waiting for 30 seconds. So I will just tell you another thing, that just right click on the GTA 5 properties and go to open file location, and make sure you have installed this. Double click on this and install it. Double click and install it full. So I have already installed it, I have not opened again. Just wait for it download. I am waiting for it. After it has been after the seconds went, just make sure you fill this box by writing what's there until it's different for everybody, and just click on download this file. Now as you can see, it has been start downloading, so I'm just skipping this part. It says me 2 hours, so I will just come back after 2 hours. Meanwhile the game is downloading. I just wanna tell you that this game required some software or the drivers to be installed. Make sure you have graphics driver, DirectX driver, this framework driver, and this Visual C++ 2008 PA1, Visual C++ 2010 SP1. All of them should be downloaded with you, and everything will be in the description below. And make sure you it is optional, this one, WinRAR and uTorrent I have told you before, and the link I have also given you. So make sure if these things if you don't have this softwares, so you might get an error. And if something automatically come on your screen and it says download the DirectX, it mean GTA 5 need to download DirectX. Just click next, next, next and install it. And if that thing does not come, still the error is coming and it says DirectX not installed, just click in my description how there will be link for DirectX, and just download it for it. Just download it. So guys, after I have just downloaded the patch from the Google Chrome, so just open it, enter, and you can double click. So make sure the thing you have to download the patch in the folder of GTA 5. So remember guys, before that I told that I have downloaded GTA 5 in my D drive. So I will go in my D drive and I will install in the place where I install the game, not download it from the uTorrent. I'm telling when I install after uTorrent. So in that place I will install it and just press OK. So it says G drive and GTA 5, and just click install. It might take a few seconds. So after the patch is done, this black screen will come up, and just close whatever will come out. Just close the Explorer. So guys, as you can see, I just double click on the GTA 5 and doesn't launch, just because my NVIDIA my graphics driver is not upgraded. So please make sure that every driver you have it and it's upgraded. As you can see, I'm just downloading right now and upgrading. I was already having but not upgraded one. So I'm just upgrading right now. Make sure you have DirectX and all the other stuff as I told before. Just reverse my video again and see back that I told that to you, that download DirectX and other stuffs. Also all of them are in the description below. So if you have this error, I cannot launch it, just go over here, cannot launch the game. So just go over there and automatically there is no error, but it's not coming, it's not opening. There is no error, nothing showing up, not even the error is showing up, not even the game is showing up. Just click over here, right click it, and just click on properties of the computer, click on device manager, click on display adapter, then click on the drivers you have. I have NVIDIA, and just right click it and go to properties. Make sure you click upgrade, and it should be upgraded. Just click on upgrade. I'm not just going to click it because it's already upgrading now. I just click over here and it's upgrading. If you have already upgraded, it will say success or upgraded from before, so don't worry that. So just make sure you have everything upgraded. So guys, the game has been downloaded and I'm enjoying it, and it's very and it was having so many errors, and after that I fixed it and fix all of the errors. Make sure guys, remember that all of your softwares are upgraded and everything is upgraded, and especially the driver X and your NVIDIA driver, graphic driver. So guys, just telling you that just subscribe and like my channel. I usually make videos of Clash of Clans and download Call of Duty, auto import, headshot, CS 1.6 hack, also CDA jailbreaking, Clash of Clans unlimited troops hack, and how to monetize your video. This is my new channel, less views, so please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.